We can use could as the past tense form of can. For example, did you tell her what happened here? I did, but it was so noisy that we couldn't hear ourselves speak. I wish I could find the time to make more videos. He left the office before she could say anything. She could understand by the look on his face that he wasn't telling the truth. But you said I could play football with my friends if I got high marks in the exam. We also use could as the polite form of can when we ask for permission. Could I use your bathroom, please? Could I speak to the principal, please? Could I leave my cat with you for a couple of days? This one sounds more like a request. Yes, we use could to make requests too. For example, could you turn the volume down, please? I'm trying to sleep. It's really hot in here. Could you open the window? It will be great if you could like and subscribe before you leave. Yeah. We can also use could to express uncertain possibilities. For example, this new vaccine could help us in the pandemic. We can also use could for making a suggestion. I could look after your cat for you if you are going out. We could have lunch at the new restaurant if you want. Sometimes we use could to talk about what you think someone else should do. For example, you could have told me that the meeting was postponed. Do you know how long I have been waiting for everyone? Okay? Pretty simple. Watch it again if you want to. If you have a question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Please like and subscribe before you leave. Okay? Until next time, this is RB signing off.